Everyone, so I'm just gonna show you what happened when we put the concrete, and this is how it looks like now.
Look, see the board how they're rotten?
What are you trying to do with that?
Look, see the board how they're rotten?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's why our house is sinking. It's rotting already. Are you gonna put concrete on it?
Dig it all in.
Dig it again?
Take all this out. Dig down below. Fill it full of concrete.
What's going right there, David?
Huh?
Oh, that's the pump.
I gotta fill it full of concrete.
Yeah, that's where the water goes, isn't it, when it's rain? Okay, so we got a pump, and we have to pump out the water out of the house, and that's it. Why did you unplug it?
Water's going.
Oh, okay. Why do you think the water? There's always water in the under the house.
All the rain. Remember, all that was open before.
Oh, okay. So when it rains, we got water coming inside under the house. So this is how it looked like when we tried to put the concrete. Yeah, that's $520, baby. But we're not yet done. So we still have to put more concrete.
I'm doing the whole house.
God. So you did the digging here. Okay.
I'm doing this. I'm gonna do rest of this. It ain't gonna rest in major.
Oh, because this one is leaning, right? So you're gonna do around the house? God. Huh?
And I gotta put drains in.
Drains.
I gotta put these drain pipes in. See?
That pipe.
That's that drain. See that drain down there?
Yeah, we tried to cover when we were trying to put the concrete. Yeah. That's the drain. Yeah, I know. A lot of money too later. What's this? Is this a black pipe? What is this?
Drain pipe, really?
Oh, the drain pipe. This is what you bought to Joe's. How much you paid for this? $100. God. Buying materials here, especially when you're constructing houses, is so expensive. The tree limbs there. Are you gonna burn it? Right now? Huh?
I'm trying to get this back on.
It's broke.
No, it didn't break. Just when I get worn out.
Worn out because you cut a lot of trees today.
It's time for a new one.
So you gotta buy a new one. How much is the chainsaw?
No, no, this is this.
Just a blade?
Yeah, like $20.
20 bucks. Trying to cut trees. Using your chainsaw. So I was trying to cut all the trees so we could clear this land. So these are also a part of our property. So what David is doing is trying to burn all the tree limbs. So this is what he was doing. Let us check what God, you're strong. So we can see now our neighbors. They got horses and different kinds of animals. Doing a cleanup. That's our house is kind of far now. What you gonna do with this part, baby?
I don't know. Fuck it. I don't know.
Jogging area.
Karaoke.
Karaoke area.
Karaoke. I don't know.
Make a swimming pool. Oh, we got pond.
I can feel icy and half right there.
Huh?
I can feel your mom and icy and half there.
Ah, you don't like it to be our in our house? But I'm glad you're wearing gloves now. Because you got lots of cuts in your hands. So you don't have any project yet here? You don't have any project yet? Project for this?
No, I'm just trying to clear all this out.
Ah, okay. It's a big fire. How did you make a fire, baby? Did you put gas? Oh, gasoline? For $5. So you can burn your tree limbs. Okay, I think David did a good job for clearing this space because this part, it has a lot of trees and we can't really see our neighbor, but right now I can really see the horses and some of the animals that they got there. So it means like we were visible so we can see each other now. So, but this part, in that part, there's a pond that I think David's next project is to clean up. Oh! Yeah, a big fire. So today is a cleaning day. Leave him alone because he might gonna ask me to go help him, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna be a supervisor as of now. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. And this God, look at this. I think they oh, he got some projects here. I think he will do the sound. I guess. That's the lawn. So, that's all for today. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!